When a Jamaican tell you that they're cooking chicken, you have to ask them what kind, because it could be jerk, curry, brown stew, fricassee, french fried, roasted, chicken with vegetables, or some other kind of chicken that is not mentioned here. Anyway, today we're gonna be cooking Jamaican style baked chicken. Happy Sunday, beautiful people. Alright, so today I'm getting ready to make baked chicken, and it will be our last day eating chicken because we're getting ready to go in the Lenten season. So watch me as I make some Jamaican style baked chicken today. Chicken is cleaned and ready to be seasoned. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of this fragrant oil to drizzle over the chicken just to get the seasonings to stick. And this is homemade fragrant oil. I have some powdered seasoning, ground ginger, garlic, Cajun seasoning, complete meat seasoning, paprika, and onion powder. So let me just combine this. This is my homemade, made with love, all-purpose green seasoning. I will be putting a generous amount. I have some salt here, not a lot because some of the seasonings have salt. Crushed pepper, black pepper. Some soy sauce, low sodium. And then it's the browning for color. The green seasoning already have some garlic in it, but garlic can't be too much, so I have some crushed garlic in there. I'm gonna rub this in. So now I will leave this to marinate for an hour in the fridge. So while the chicken is marinating, I'm gonna get some potatoes and corn ready. I have my little fancy cutter here. These are beautiful. You can cut in circles or at an angle to get different shapes. I love these little red ones too. They cut these in halves because they're small. So let's get ready to season the veggies. I got myself a good olive oil. So we have some garlic powder, onion powder, some black pepper, and a little salt. The oven is set to 400 degrees. I found this zesty herb seasoning. I'm gonna mix it together with some fragrant oil to make a coating for the veggies. I also added some herbs to give it that nice herby flavor. And I always use sweet oranges when I'm making baked chicken, but I'm out of oranges today, so I just substitute with a little lemon juice. Now that we have made our zesty herb dressing, we're going to brush that on the veggies and put them back in the oven for a few more minutes. Now I'm greasing a baking dish for the chicken. This will go in the oven for about 45 minutes. I have biscuit and muffin mixes, so I'm gonna be baking up some of those too. And that is something that Jamaicans are used to doing. Or, you know, even other people. Once the oven is on, we're just gonna find all kind of things to put in there. Because, as we used to say in Jamaica, we're not wasting our gas. It's different here. It comes through a gas line. So, you know, we don't have to think about it like that. But trust me, once you turn that oven on and your gas is escaping from your cylinder, you're gonna be putting all kind of things in there just to get everything baked at once. The biscuits are ready and waiting. Time for the muffins. So I'm adding dried cranberries to the muffin mix. And chocolate, my favorite. Let's check out these biscuits. Now I'm gonna cut up these aromatics to put in the chicken. And I'm also making some gravy, so I'm using some brown sugar, ketchup, a little sweet and sour. And mix that in so it blends well. Some red pepper. And of course parsley. Some fresh herbs and mix that in. Now we're gonna pour this over the chicken. But first you have to taste. Needed a little salt, so add a little salt. That's how we cook. We add salt as we go. Right, because we salt to taste. So now we're gonna pour this goodness over the chicken. The chicken is gonna soak up all of that. Yes, we're dressing up this chicken and then we're gonna place it back in the oven to finish cooking. And of course, the Scotch bonnet pepper will have to come into play, so we're poking some holes in the pepper and inserting it down into the juices for the Scotch bonnet flavor to just spread right through the gravy. The muffins are ready and I'm checking on the gravy. So the chicken will go back into the oven for another 20 minutes and then everything will be ready. And there you have it. Jamaican style oven baked chicken. Isn't that lovely? It's falling off the bone. Look at that. And it's delicious. If you have never tried Jamaican style baked chicken, you should. Just watch the video, follow the instructions, and you'll get your chicken looking just as good as this one. And it's surely gonna taste good too. And if you like what you just watched, just remember to subscribe, share up the video, and continue watching for more. It's now time to eat. And also go ahead and watch the video up above to see how I make the fragrant oil. See you later guys, bye.